Yes people, we are here with an exclusive unboxing of the Undercover X Nike Air Max 720. This sneaker is absolutely crazy, but before we get into the box, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button down below because it really does help out the channel. So I bet you're thinking, Chris, we know there's 3 colorways of this sneaker coming out, well we couldn't get the yellow pair. But I'm not gonna lie, these 2 are the best ones coming straight out this Saturday. Starting off with this black iteration. Ooh! Designed by Jun Takahashi, the founder of Undercover, this sneaker is crazy. I copped the React Element 87s that dropped last year by Undercover, and they're one of my most beaten up trainers. You know me, I like to beat the living crap out of my sneakers, and these won't be any different. Come with a nice black upper all the way across, and then we have this chunky air unit, 720 degrees of air. And again, I bet you're thinking, Chris, how's that even physically possible? It's because when you look down on your foot, you see 360 degrees of air on this one and 360 degrees on the right one. I haven't got the other shoe out, just imagine it's here. Just imagine, done, sweet. Boasting speckled portions all the way across it, so we have it on the side wall panels as well as on the, don't know what part of the shoe this is. What part of the shoe is this, Lana? We're going to call it the plastic overlays. And then also rounded off on the toe cap with Undercover branding. This then comes with "We make noise, not clothes" on the air unit. Well, I'm sorry to break it to you, Jun. I've been to Dover Street Market a fair few times. You have hundreds of clothes in there. You make a lot of them. As well as that, you make some banging sneakers. And talking of banging sneakers, ooh, look at this Would you look at this university red colorway? Very similar to this blacked out, but obviously a vibrant red coming all the way across the upper. Once again countered with the speckled midsoles and then a nice chunky air unit and Undercover branding found to the heel. These sneakers are absolutely crazy. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of feeling them. Also, good point for you, if you're under 6 foot, cop a pair of these, they add about 10 inches to your height. I am nearly 7 foot when I wear these, and all the people that bump into me on the street and go, "Oh, you're Chris from the Soul Supply, I didn't expect you to be this tall." I'm 6 foot tall. I know I look short because I'm sitting down all the time, but I'm actually a pretty tall geezer. Sorry for the rant. Releasing Saturday the 30th of November, they will retail at £170, and for the people out there that are thinking about copping to flip them, I'm not gonna lie, I don't see them selling for much over retail. The React Element 87s have a nice lot of hype to them because of the silhouette itself, whereas these are a sneaker that you should just buy to wear your damn kicks, because that's what you should be doing every single day. Fitting true to size and hitting retailers such as Nike, Offspring, all of like those good retailers that have the good accounts with Nike, their favourite ones. These will be hitting them, as I said, from this Saturday. I'm not gonna lie, it could be a pretty easy cop. I've been Chris from the Soul Supplier. This has been the Nike Air Max 720 designed by Undercover, and we'll see you very soon for another unboxing. See ya.